Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden, here to take you through today's market action. Stocks closed in the red as trade talks continued with China today. Small caps saw the most weakness, down 0.6% on the session. The Dow closed 0.5% lower. The Nasdaq and S&P each slid about 0.25%. Sectors painted a more mixed picture. Industrials traded down more than 1%, while consumer discretionary slid 0.75%. Real estate and utilities shined today, though, each rallying more than 1%. And there were plenty of earnings movers driving today's trading action. One of the most notable was Novo Nordisk, which slid 22% to three-year lows after unexpectedly cutting full-year guidance. The Danish drug maker cited lower U.S. sales expectations for Ozempic and Wegovy. It now sees sales growth between 8 and 14% in 2025, down from previous expectations of 13 to 21%. Shares of Eli Lilly also traded down more than 5% in sympathy with Novo Nordisk. Another stock selling off today, Spotify. The music streaming giant posted an unexpected loss of $100 million in the previous quarter. One bright spot for the company came in its subscriber numbers, though, adding 8 million compared to Wall Street's estimates for 5 million. Monthly active users also rose 11%. Spotify shares have still nearly doubled since last year, despite today's 11% sell-off. And SoFi became the biggest earnings winner on the session, rallying to a four-year high off of what management called a, quote, exceptional second quarter. The fintech firm posted an earnings beat that included 44% revenue growth, the company's highest growth rate in more than 2 years. The company also raised guidance to $3.38 billion against estimates calling for $3.27 billion. Microsoft and Meta Platforms will report their highly anticipated earnings after the close tomorrow. We'll also hear from Qualcomm, Lam Research, Vertiv Holdings, and Etsy. The Fed will announce its interest rate decision at 2 p.m. Eastern, and you should also watch for data on private payrolls and GDP. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden. Remember, you can tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.